Hello, welcome to Fusion Cooking channel for one more great video. Today we are going to present 4 very healthy snacks with the whole and healthy foods for kids and adults. They can be afternoon snacks. First, peanut snack. It is going to be spicy if you want to make it spicy or just neutral. Take 1 cup of peanuts. You can make a smaller batch with half a cup. Soak them overnight, wash them, and we are going to pressure cook them with 2 whistles. We have chosen peanuts because peanuts are very healthy, very affordable, and if you look at the nutritional value of peanuts, they are mind-blowing. 1 cup of peanuts will give almost 76% of the daily value of protein for a person, and they give half the daily requirement of fiber, and they are very rich in iron. About 37% daily value of iron comes from peanuts, and they are very rich in other minerals like magnesium and calcium. And peanuts are everywhere. They are affordable. You can buy them and have them at home. They can be stored at home also for a long time. So this will make a very easy and affordable snack that can be made at any household. So here we just pressure cook the peanuts. 2 whistles will do the trick. Check if they were done well. Take them in a bowl. We are adding onions, about a tablespoon worth, and tomato, about a tablespoon, cucumber for a couple of tablespoons, grated carrot. So this is to make the recipe more healthy by adding more vegetables, and most of these vegetables are available in many households. This is cilantro. Little bit of salt to taste. You can add pepper and chaat masala. Chaat masala is optional. You can avoid it if you want to. And red chili powder also optional. Add a dash of lime juice for extra punch and taste. This is a great snack for school-going kids, either for the mid-afternoon or mid-morning. This is also a great snack for the people who are going to office. They can enjoy it in the mid-morning or mid-afternoon. Hit like button if you like this recipe. The second snack is made with whole moong beans. It is going to be a sweet. We took half a cup of whole moong beans, soaked them overnight, and they become soft. And before soaking them overnight, clean them. And moong beans are a great snack or a food and very popular in Eastern cultures like India, China, because of their nutritional value. They have almost no fat or no cholesterol, and 100 grams of moong beans will give about half of the daily requirement of protein for an adult, and they also supply about 60% of the dietary fiber, and they are very rich in iron, vitamin B6, magnesium and calcium. Because of the health benefits, I think MoongBean is very popular in India and other parts of the South Asia. Just pressure cook them for 1 whistle. You don't want them to be mushy. And after that, you can sieve the water and take 2 ladles of the cooked moong beans. Add sugar. You can add the sugar to your liking. We added about 2 to 3 teaspoons of brown sugar. To make it extra nutritious and easy to digest, we are adding coconut, grated coconut, and a little bit of elaichi powder. It is so simple. You just mix them together and enjoy it. When you add them when the moong beans are hot, they will mix well and taste good. This is also a great snack for people of all ages, particularly kids will like it It's little sweet and chewy. If you like this recipe, say yes in the comments section below. The third recipe is made with sweet corn, yellow sweet corn. Just take the hulled sweet corn or frozen sweet corn, add them to a flat pan and add a little bit of water, just enough water to cover the sweet corns. Cook them in the medium flame with the lid on. You can add a little bit of salt now to taste and cook on the medium flame so that they will cook slowly. By the time the corn is cooked, the water will get absorbed. It will take about 8 to 10 minutes. Corn is also a very healthy snack and it's a whole food and it's a great snack for kids if you make it right. Corn is rich in vitamin C. It gives some amount of magnesium, protein and fiber, and it's also considered to be having a lot of fiber and good for digestive tract. You can add a little bit of butter, about like 1 to 1.5 teaspoon. When you add it hot, it gets absorbed easily. Add a little bit of red chili powder, chaat masala about 1/4 teaspoon, cilantro or coriander, minced coriander about 1 tablespoon. Mix them well. This doesn't require salt now because we already added enough salt during the cooking process. This is sweet, savory and punchy. You can add a little bit of grated cheese if you have. That will make it more tasty and more nutritious for the kids, and it's little more filling also for the school going kids. Mix everything together and give it as a snack after school or for the school as well. This is a great snack for other groups of people like office goers as well. You can have it in the mid-morning or mid-afternoon. This fourth snack is made with sweet potatoes. Sweet potato is one of the affordable, very healthy foods. We are taking red sweet potatoes here, mostly available in eastern countries like India, South Asia and China. And sweet potatoes are superfoods because they have or they give more health benefits than what we can measure in terms of the nutritional value. However, they are very rich in vitamin C and vitamin A, and they give bunch of minerals as well like manganese, potassium, copper and niacin. They are very affordable. They may be available seasonally in some parts, and they are very easy to cook. If you just clean them and steam them, you can't go wrong with that. But in this recipe we are going to make it somewhat special. Just cut the sweet potatoes into 1-inch thick cubes after removing the skin, and soak them in cold water or cool water so that the extra starch will be gone when we are processing it. Take them out and add them to a pan. You don't need to add any oil. It can be cooked easily on the medium flame. The moisture that is added to the sweet potatoes itself is going to be enough to keep them cooking and without getting burnt. But make sure that you keep the flame to medium low. Cover it with a plate and add water on top so that they will be steamed with the moisture within. Stir them occasionally so that all sides will be cooked evenly. Add half a teaspoon of ghee. We are adding 1 tablespoon of grated jaggery or gur. This is a kind of sugar available in India. somewhat raw and considered to be healthier than the crystal sugar. Cook for another 5 minutes or so on low flame so that the jaggery will get melted, and stir it well so that all the pieces of the sweet potato are getting a good coating of the jaggery and the ghee. This is a great snack for kids or adults or anybody even with the different health conditions, and it can be a great snack during the religious festivals also. People may do fasting. After the fasting, this can be a nice and healthy snack for breaking the fast, and it can be enjoyed any time of the day, mid-morning, mid-afternoon. We hope you like this video. Please share your comments, questions and feedback towards the end of the video, and please subscribe to our channel with the bell icon so that you will get the notifications whenever we upload great videos like this. If you are watching until now, thank you very much. Have a nice day. See you in the next video. Bye.